Nanaimo Bars. A dessert from Canada. Serves 4. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Mix the half-cup butter, white sugar, egg and cocoa. Set over boiling water and stir until mixture resembles custard. Step 2. Combine crumbs, coconut and nuts.Combine with the butter/sugar mixture, blend well.Spread and press into a 9 by 9 inch pan. Step 3. Cream the 1/4 cup butter, milk, custard powder and icing sugar.Spread over mixture in pan. Step 4. Melt chocolate over hot water, add butter and blend well. Step 5. Spread over the icing. Let set. Step 6. Chill and keep refrigerated until serving time. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.